Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Lorca. Today I'm actually going to be doing a week in my life. I recorded everything that happened and there are a lot of ups and a lot of downs. I do have more videos coming on the way. I'm going to New York this weekend, so I will be filming some of that and hopefully making a travel montage of that as well. A lot of this video is filmed on my iPhone, so just stay with me. I tried filming the best of my ability, but my camera is huge, so I can't vlog with it. I'm still in the process of getting a vlogging camera. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Here's a week in my life. Hello! We are going to be recording from my iPhone majority of this week. I am actually driving right now. I am going to be doing a week in my life video. You know, take you along with me. I start my weeks with Mondays. Super Bowl was yesterday. I'm actually driving back to my apartment now. It is 11:41 on a Monday, and I actually have class at like 3. I'm gonna go home, make some breakfast, get ready, and I will take you along with me every single day. We'll see you in a little bit.
Later that same evening.
Okay, I just got back to my apartment. I just made myself a little egg sandwich before I go to class. I only have biology today and it's a lecture, so I'm just gonna be taking notes and I'm gonna do some video editing work later today. I forgot to record myself. Anyway, went to class, I had lecture, great time, not. Then I went to the gym, had a good workout, came back, ate dinner, I had Thai coconut soup, I took a shower, now I'm in bed. It is currently 11:30 p.m. and I have class tomorrow at 8 a.m. I will hopefully remember to record. Okay, see you tomorrow. Good night. Good morning. It is 8 in the morning and I have class. You can see my dark circles are really bad. I have my psychology class today, introduction to counseling. I have a 4-hour class. Most of my classes are only once a week, except 2. So I'm gonna be walking there because it's gonna be like a 15-minute walk, so. I am so tired. I'm now walking to class. It's raining. No one is out because no one takes classes at 8 a.m.
So, if you didn't know, there's the National Mall, really cool place to be. It's also
Okay, I just got home from class. I have a lot of work to do, so I think I'm gonna be working on my stuff for about like 6 hours so I can just get a head start. I do wanna do a lot of video editing. I'm gonna do that. Hopefully I can relax a little bit. I'm gonna make myself some dinner. Excuse my look. Well, I've been working on my homework for a couple hours now. It's 6:09. I've been doing a article paper. It's been really fun. I'm in my study lounge and I have like these windows here. You can see like the whole city.
I don't want to do this anymore.
Oh my god. And I'm about to go night-nights. I'm going to bed. I have class tomorrow at 12, so I'm probably gonna wake up around 10. I did a lot of work today, so I'm super tired. I will see you guys in the morning. I woke up and it's about 10:30. I have class at 12. I'm making myself some lunch right now. So today I have my bio lab, my bio lecture, and I have a 4-hour statistics class. It's gonna be a very fun day. That's why I'm packing myself a lunch because I am not gonna be home. I will come back to you when I'm dressed and everything because I look good. We are done. Wow, I did a whole transformation. So I am going to go to class. I'm not really sure if you want to see that. I might be like going like this or something. So I might just record after my day. I don't really know yet. I'll figure it out when I get there. See you guys later. It's raining again. I think it's gonna be raining all week. I am currently walking to class, the usual. I first have my biology lab, and I don't know what it is, but I don't really like my professor. I'm kind of just not really caring this year, because I'm like, oh my god, I just ran into that car. I'm kind of like close to my last year, so like I don't really give a fuck. I think I'm gonna be like probably doing this last semester and then like traveling, so C's get degrees, am I right? I am back at home. It is about midnight now. My phone died, so I had to put it on the charger. I also grabbed some Panda Express because your girl was really hungry. I had a really long day, and I am now taking some notes doing some research for better transitions for my videos. I always want to learn stuff while I'm learning other things in school. So I learn stuff for my videos and I learn stuff for school at the same time. I'm just making sure I'm on top of it. Your girl gotta hustle, she gotta grind. It's almost 1 a.m. I'm really tired, so tomorrow I am planning on going to the dollar store. I have one class and then I'm gonna be working all day on more research for videos. I have to do a research article for class and I'm gonna probably get ahead in my reading just so I can not be stressed for school. If I usually do everything as it comes, I get really stressed out and I end to procrastinate, so doing it in advance helps me a lot. I will see you tomorrow. A good night. I have 4 of these to go. I thought I was recording that whole time, but I wasn't. Well, I am on my way to the dollar store. My car has to be parked like 15 minutes away from my apartment complex, which sucks because all the parking spots for my apartment complex were already taken and I paid like 3 hours too late, so I didn't get the spot. Now I have to walk every time I have groceries, anytime I have anything, so it sucks, but it is what it is. So I will see you in the car. Okay, I decided to switch to Walmart because I found out that I had a gift card. I need to get a couple things before I go to New York next week. It's Valentine's Day next weekend, and I am really excited because me and my boyfriend are going to see the Lumineers. And we're staying for the weekend, so I'm really excited. We'll be staying in the city, and it's going to be really fun. The bag is secured. Let's go. On my daily trip back to class. It's my psychology class. I kind of like it, but I kind of don't. It's raining again. Welcome to Maryland. Just had a breakdown. I did 3 hours of notes and they disappeared from my computer. Okay, well, I just got finished editing my other video. I'm going to put it on Upwork, my LinkedIn. I'm about to write my 5-page paper and I am going to do some more work on my website and get ahead for reading and all that jazz. Fun times! Now I'm making raspberry chicken. And I was working on my website for like 3 hours, so I'm just cooling here. I go to Tove Lo in the morning. I gotta wake up at like 10 o'clock. I'm very excited to go see her, but I need to make sure that I have food because I stand outside for like 7 hours every time I go to like a small concert so I can be front row. Probably gonna make this chicken, eat, shower, and then go night-night. All right, good night. Hello! We are here in Silver Spring and we are about to go see Tove Lo. We're gonna wait in line early. See you in there. We're in there. We made it. Waited since 11 a.m. for this. Yeah, of course.
Thank you so much. You're so sweet.
Sorry, I did not film when I got home last night. I didn't get home until like 3 a.m. because we met Tove. It was really, really fun. We stood out there like in 30-degree weather though. Pretty sure I'm a little sick now. Stood out there for like an hour and a half. I signed up to DoorDash at 10:30, so I have to go back home and then I got a spicy date. I'll see you then. I just got finished door dashing. Originally, I was only gonna do it from 10:30 to 11:30, only for an hour. And then I started getting orders out the wazoo. I was like,
Okay, let's get this money.
and I did. I door dashed until 1 p.m. Clothing. Oh. I was like, all right, you know what? I'm just gonna DoorDash my sweatpants and my sweatshirt, be all comfortable, and still get some money, because, you know, the hustle is real. I'm now driving home. I need to get my camera because I want to take some amazing videos for you guys in New York. I need to be in the Valentine's feel because it's the first time that I have a Valentine's date for Valentine's. And I know it's like super materialistic and shit, but like, it's a new thing. Like, aww, cute. I will see you guys when I get home. I get to see my puppies!
Yes!
Come here. Hello, we're back in the car. As you can see, I did a whole 360. Got all of my shit. I also got my freaking rice cooker. My rice cooker broke. I eat rice like almost every day. Best thing to do to have a rice cooker because it's super fast and I get what I want. White rice, you know what I mean? I am driving back to my apartment now, which is an hour drive.
I'm not a skater, I'm not a poser.
Thought it'd be cool and nice to make some dinner for my boyfriend. So I have some lemon crusted Parmesan chicken in there. Really hoping it turns out good because they were frozen. Of the new week. As you saw yesterday, I went hiking. I went to the High Rock. I also made his Valentine's present, and he's not gonna see this because it's gonna be after our trip, but I made him this. Put a little collage and then our concert tickets at the bottom. And then I got him a new watch because he's been riding out that watch that he has for a very long time. I thought it'd be nice to get him a new one for Valentine's Day, and we're gonna go see the Lumineers, so I'm really excited. I gotta hit the library because I have a lot to do. I hope you guys enjoyed this week in my life. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I really hope you liked it. If you liked this video, please give a thumbs up and comment down below what you're doing for Valentine's Day. Hit that big red button below to subscribe to this channel, and I will see you guys Thursday. Bye!